Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to create this type of video. If you want to make something just like this, make sure to watch until the very end. Let's jump right in. As you can see on the screen, this is exactly how I trim my clips. Just follow along and do the same with yours to keep everything perfectly in sync. Now add 2 keyframes to the first clip, one at the start and zoom in on the one at the end. Moving to the second clip, add 2 keyframes and zoom in on the first one. Now repeat the process with all clips. Now, open the ease settings for the first clip and select this option. For the second clip, choose the one right next to it. Just repeat this process for all the remaining clips. Next, go to Effects, find the Shake section, and select Cam Shake. Just copy my settings for the adjustment, and then stretch the effect across the entire video from start to finish. Now open PIP and add a white overlay, setting its duration to 0.3 seconds. Add 2 keyframes, one at the start and at the end. Keyframe, go to Blend, choose Dodge, and drop it to 0. Finally, copy this overlay and place it at the start of every clip. Go back to PIP and add this overlay, which I'll show you at the end of the video. Next, open Blend and select the overlay option. Now, head over to Filters, select Adjust, and just copy my settings exactly as shown on the screen. And then stretch the effect across the entire video from start to finish. Finally, export the video at 60 frames per second for the good quality and smoothness. Here's the final result. Alright, as promised, here is the overlay I told you about. Grab it right now, use it, and make your edits look absolutely insane. Okay, so that is it for today's video. If this tutorial actually saved your life, or at least saved your edit, hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. Seriously, do it now. Don't be lazy. Go practice, stop procrastinating, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.